Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you doing? So I'm back today to another PARO DEEZ TV videos, and this is a video Rihanna chats with Beyonce and Adele about the VMAs 2016. I'm trying to remember, is that the performance that she did her whole formation? Not whole formation, yet the whole Lemonade album. That I believe that's the year Rihanna also got her Vanguard. MTV
oh my
Vanguard.
gosh, I'm so honored to have the Video Vanguard Award this year. I'm pretty sure I'm the first one to ever have this award, right? Boy, bitch, what you want? Rihanna, girl, you know what?
Julius
I'm
in a
I
bag.
know you need the shit. Bitch, you might as well not even show up. No one will miss you, believe me. Bitch, I'm at the top of the food chain in this game. You're just a little crustacean some damn where, okay? I don't know if MTV told you this, but the motherfuckers want me to perform at the show. And I really don't want to do that to you, but like me and most niggas know, you have a big mouth. I don't care if you come. You are gonna do the same fucking thing. I will come on stage and fall a fucking sleep and give more life than your best performance, you half dead looking bitch. Beyonce bitch, you've been a fucking showboat all your motherfucking life. You know that? Let Riri shine, unless you want me to step in, girl. Bitch, how when you come pissing with 8 nominations? 8? That's it? Not even 10? Damn, girl, I'm locked and loaded over here with 11 nominations deep, the most I ever had, and I might not be there for none of them, so. We are talking the fucking VMAs here. I'm just a little bit over that. So you be a big time and go ahead and get your motherfucking roll on before the Grammys. I said I didn't want to come, but if you make me, I will come and set up shop and put you bitches out of business and back on the streets with your friends and family. Don't take this the wrong way, you two, but quietly drop dead. We don't have time for game. Who really gives a fuck about either one of you's Video Vanguard Award? I mean, I've simply been declining it for the past few years. Rude guy, you're mad or you upset? You know, I'm gonna leave because money is definitely calling my name, but I hate to leave without reminding y'all that I am the baddest, the biggest pop star holding it down for the 99-2000. Now hold on one figgity fucking hot damn Jiminy minute. Beyonce, I love you, girl. I love you, I really do. I just want to say that. But, come again, bitch? Like I said, Miss Brittany Darts, I am the apocalypse to your sunny day. Now keep it moving, bitch. Oh, Brittany, bitch, I know good and motherfucking well you're not gonna let this stuck-up, Beyonce-pated bitch come for your throne. Miss Adele, thank you, but no thank you. I don't need any help from a bitch shaped like a bunk bed, but, obviously, you have to be a bad bitch to make a third comeback in a row. That's all I'm saying. Well, you wouldn't have to keep coming back if we wanted your ass. Could you email us next time? Oh, my Rihanna, who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Alright, because I would take your head and throw it at a fucking Pokemon, alright? You better get your shit together, don't try
Gotta
it.
catch 'em all,
Oh, bitch, your last
Pokemon.
bus left a long time ago. Go home. And yet the check's still coming in, bitch. This year, my performance tops everything you've ever done at the VMAs. Hell to the fuck no. No way. No thank you. I'm not buying it. Not even on sale. Bitch, I am the VMAs, alright? And they better not give you more than 5 minutes, because we all know your voice can't keep for that long. Well, we all know whose voice can. I'll shut all you bitches down. I'm gonna need you and your fucking dishwasher hips to keep it moving because you're about to make me mad, okay? We all know you're mad, because your ass is out here struggling trying to get back in the game, but unfortunately, I'm just not gonna let that happen. I am number 1, alright? Put your fist down, bitch. That's not what you want to do today. I'm telling you, y'all can look at me like you're crazy all fucking day long, but you try something and it's lights out. Girl, get someone to fix that part in your head. I can see it from Star Trek and beyond. Pause, bitch. You know what watching you bitches remind me of? Y'all remember that movie, goddamn Titanic? You remember the part when the fucking ship wrecked? That New Year's performance was so bad, it made 2020...
Oh my god, not the Titanic. I can't. Thank you so much, PARO DEEZ TV, for that. I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.